The pressure chamber itself is normally a concrete construction where the weight pressure of the floor is capable of 400 kilograms per square meter, so that the load bearing of the floor is capable of the air swallow. The floor should be level in all directions, and the floor should be sufficiently large to position the module on the floor without the module is sticking out of the concrete. The top of the floor has to have the correct height, and local standards and requirements of concrete floors should be applied at all times. Also, it's recommendable that there is a little bit of extra space of floor, so it's possible that you can use a ladder to reach on top of the module for cleaner access. At the side of the technical room, it's recommended there's a 1 meter extra spare of concrete, so when you are standing close to the technical room, you're not standing into the sand or mud.